In this video, let us solve some questions on a square minus b square formula. Like a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Similarly, m plus n into m minus n is equal to m square minus n square. Let us take one more formula like this. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. We can write vice versa. In both directions also we can write x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Similarly, p square minus q square is equal to p plus q into p minus q. So these are the various formulas. Based on this, let us solve some problems. Let us understand first 4x square can be written as 2x bracket square. 9a square can be written as 3a whole square because 3 square is 9a square. That is 9a square. 16m square can be written as 4m bracket square. 4 square is 16m whole square. 25 x square can be written as 5x whole square. See, these are the other way of writing the square numbers. 100 m square, m to the power 4. How we write this one? 10 square is 100, m square is 100, m to the power 4. X to the power 4 can be written as x square whole square. Similarly, x to the power 6 can be written as x cube whole to the power 2 because 3 2s are 6. Similarly, x to the power 16 can be written as x to the power 8 whole to the power 2 because 8 2s are 16. Let's solve some questions. 4x square minus 9y square. How you simplify this? 4x square can be written as 2x bracket square minus 3y bracket square. It is looking like the formula a square minus b square. That is a square minus b square is a plus b. That is 2x plus 3y into a minus b. That is 2x minus 3y. 2x plus 3y into 2x minus 3y is the answer. 16a square minus 25b square. It can be written as 4a bracket square minus 5b bracket square. 5b bracket square. Again it is a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, 4a plus 5b into 4a minus 5b. 4a plus 5b into 4a minus 5b. Let us take one more question. 36x square minus y square. 36x square can be written as 6x bracket square minus y square. It is 6x plus y into 6x minus y. 6x minus y. 6x plus y into 6x minus y. M square minus 81 n square. M square minus 9n whole square. It is of the form a square minus b square, m plus 9n into m minus 9n. Here is the one more question. 144a square minus 169b square. 12a whole square bracket close minus 13b whole square. A square minus b square. 12a plus 13b. 12a plus 13b bracket into 12a minus 13b. 12a minus 13b. Here we go with one more question. 9a square by 4 minus 16b square divided by 25. 3a by 2 whole square, that is 9a square by 4 it is giving. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, a square. 4b by 5 bracket square, 4 square is 16, b square by 25, 5 square is 25. 3a by 2 plus 4b by 5, 4b by 5 bracket close into 3a by 2 minus 4b by 5 minus 4b by 5. Here one more question, x square by 4 minus y square by 9. It is written as x by 2 bracket square minus y by 3 bracket square, a square minus b square, a plus b, that is x by 2 plus y by 3, x by 2 plus y by 3 into x by 2 minus y by 3, x by 2 in minus y by 3. 4x square divided by 81 minus 25y square divided by 36. 2x by 9, 2x by 9 bracket square minus 5y by 6 bracket square. Again it is looking like the formula a square minus b square, that is 2x by 9 plus 5y by 6 into 2x by 9 minus 5y by 6 minus 5y by 6. These problems are very simple provided you understand the formulas. 2x square minus 25. It is a different type of formula. Let us rewrite this question one more time. 2x square minus 50 can be splitted as 2 into 25 because 25 2s are 50. Here 2 is the common. I'll take it as common. 2 bracket x square minus 25. 2 I took common. Now 2 bracket x square minus 25 is 5 square. Again it is converted into a square minus b square formula, that is a plus b into a minus b, x plus 5 into x minus 5, x square minus 5 square. 3x square minus 12, a square. Here I'll split this 12, 3x square minus 3 into 4 a square. 3 you take common, 3 bracket you take common, 3x square minus 4a square. X square minus 2a bracket square. Now a square minus b square formula we can use, x plus 2a minus into x minus 2a. So this is how we have to simplify. Let us take one more question. 2x square by 8 minus 3y square by 27. Let us simplify this first. 2x square by 8 minus 3y square by 27. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. X square by 4 minus y square by 9. I'll write x square by 4 as x by 2 whole square minus y by 3 whole square. This is a square minus b square, x by 2 plus y by 3 into x by 2 minus y by 3, x by 2 minus y by 3. So this is how we solved some questions on a square minus b square. Let us take the last question. 7 into 4a square minus 7b square. I can write 28 as 7 into 4. 7 you take common, 4a square minus b square. 7 into 2a bracket square minus b square. Again it is a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. 7 into 2a plus b into 2a minus b. Thank you for watching.